Want to boost your immune system? Here is a powerful healthy drink you can make at home. All you need is 2 beetroots, 4 pieces of ginger, 4 medium carrots, and 1 fresh lemon. To get the perfect texture, chop all the ingredients into small, bite-sized pieces. Drop them into your blender, add a little water, and blend everything together until smooth. Next, use a strainer to separate the juice from the pulp for a smooth and clean drink. While straining, let's look at the amazing benefits. This drink is a natural anti-aging secret. The antioxidants in beetroot and carrots fight wrinkles, prevent premature aging, and give your face a glowing complexion. Ginger reduces skin inflammation, while lemon clarifies your skin. Together, this powerful mix detoxifies your liver, improves blood flow, and protects your body from seasonal illnesses. Now, we squeeze a fresh lemon into the jug. Lemon is the magic ingredient here. It provides a massive boost of vitamin C, which helps your body absorb all the iron and nutrients from the beetroot and carrots. It also flushes out toxins from your body, boosts metabolism, and gives the drink a refreshing, delicious taste. If you have leftovers, pour the drink into an airtight glass jar or bottle and store it in the fridge. This keeps it perfectly fresh, locks in all the nutrients, and ensures you have a cold, healthy booster ready for tomorrow. For the best results, it is highly recommended to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. If you are new to this powerful drink, don't drink a full glass right away. Start with a small shot glass like this every morning until your body completely gets used to its strength. Once your body is ready, you can enjoy a full, vibrant glass of health like this every single day. Take this beautiful step toward a happier, glowing, and more energized version of you. If you loved this recipe, please hit that subscribe button, share it with someone you care about, and let's stay healthy together. See you in the next video.